Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, you will learn how you can use your microphone in Google Meet, for example, to use it in your video calls or Google Meet meetings really quickly. It is very simple, guys, so let us guide you through this. Head over to Google Meet via desktop, for example, or the Google Chrome web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your account. And what you want to do, guys, is while being logged in into your account on Google Meet, is make sure that you click on that button here next to the URL address in the top left corner of your Google Chrome web browser to access the given site's site informations. And here below, guys, you will see a menu like this. So what you want to do is click on Site Settings. That is going to take you to your Google Meet site settings here on Google Chrome. So what you want to do, guys, is give Google Chrome the permission to use your microphone, or in this case here, Google Meet via Google Chrome. To do that, click on that arrow down icon next to microphone here under permissions and select allow. And that is going to give Google Meet the permission to use your microphone. Of course, it needs to be plugged in and to be connected to your device to use it. And that's basically it. After that, Google Meet will ask you to use that microphone. Simply confirm that and start your video calls or your group calls or presentations here in Google Meet using your microphone. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.